Types of German Shepherd dogs. The German Shepherd Dog, or GSD, is a versatile and intelligent breed. But did you know there are different types? Let's explore some common variations within this beloved breed. Coat length is a primary differentiator. You'll find short-coated, long-coated, and even plush-coated German Shepherds. Each coat type requires different grooming needs. While the classic black and tan is well known, GSDs come in various colors. These include black, sable, white, and even blue. Color doesn't affect temperament, but it does influence appearance. Working line GSDs are bred for specific tasks like police work or herding.